And the second task is alphabet. And that is, you can find some interesting task, like you can see the alphabet over here. You can listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. It's important for you to understand how we pronounce sounds, because it might be different, especially U, which is this one, and there is no sound U in English. Then this is interesting task, like you should look at the picture above it and try to understand where you have to place those letters. Yep. After you have done this task, you can do it again if you need. Here we posted some links which you can use like extra materials and practice with us. But also you might don't need it, because you have everything on the platform, and you can practice after that. So here, if you see the task соедини, it means connect or match words and something. For example, I'm taking A and I should find where is this A. Possible, it's Africa. And then you will see what else you can match together. Always in all these small lessons, you're gonna have a vocabulary list with English translation. Sorry, we are not doing some MOV translation because it's impossible for us to prepare for all of them. And you can add these words, if you don't know them, to your vocabulary list. And over here on the left, you will see some online dictionary where you can practice and memorize this vocabulary.